Want more views on your Airbnb listing? Let me show you how I hit the top search spots and how you can too, starting today. If your listing is buried on page 5, then getting clicks, and you're wondering why other hosts are fully booked, why you are stuck with empty dates, this video is for you. I'm breaking down the exact strategies that Airbnb algorithm secretly rewards, and yes, you can implement all of them today. Let's jump right in. First off, keywords in your title and description. This is where most hosts mess up. Airbnb is a search engine just like Google and YouTube. If your guest is typing downtown apartment with pool and your listing just says cozy stay, you've already lost the booking. Instead of stylish apartments in the city, use modern downtown apartments with pool near attractions. See the difference? You want to naturally include location keywords like downtown, Lekki, close to the beach, amenities like pool, fast Wi-Fi, free parking, and 24/7 power. And guest benefits like perfect for business travelers or family friendly. And don't just stop at the title. Your first to three lines of your description are prime real estate. That's what Airbnb scans first, and that's what guests read first. Next, choose the right category and tags. This part is silent and powerful. When you list your property, Airbnb asks you what type of place it is: apartments, condo, luxury stay, beachfront, family. If you choose the wrong category, Airbnb will push your listing to the wrong audience. For example, if your place is perfect for remote workers and you put it under family retreats, you're confusing the algorithm and your future guests. Always match your category to your ideal guest, your amenities to your actual strengths, and your vibe to what your space truly offers. This alone can increase your visibility without spending a single dollar on ads. Now, let's talk about something Airbnb really loves: an active calendar. Airbnb favors calendars that look alive. Dead calendars get buried, active calendars get promoted. What does this mean in real life? Don't block your dates unnecessarily. Open your calendars at least 3 to 6 months in advance. Update prices regularly. Avoid unnecessary blocks unless truly needed. Even small activities like updating your price and editing your description signals Airbnb that your listing is active, and active listings gets rewarded with more exposure. Now, this next one is the real secret weapon: getting 5-star reviews early. Your first 5 to 10 reviews literally decides your future on Airbnb. Listings with high ratings, fast response time, zero cancellations, and glowing reviews gets pushed higher in search automatically. So here is what I tell my hosts to do in the early stage. Over deliver like your business depends on it, because it does. Welcome messages that feels personal, spotless clean spaces, easy check-in, fast responses, small thoughtful touches like snacks, water, or a city guide. Then politely ask for the review after checkout, not in a begging way, but in a professional way. Because one 5-star review is powerful. 10 5-star reviews, that's momentum. Now let's talk visuals, because this is where your scroll stopping happens. Your photos and your listing fields matter more than you think. Your first photo should answer this question: would I want to stay here? Not a random wall shot, not a blurry corner. It should be bright, clear, and an emotionally attractive one. Then your title, location, and amenities. House rules, cancellation policies, instant book, response time. All these work together to boost your ranking. Airbnb wants guests to have a smooth experience, so it promotes listings that look complete and professional. Now, here is your action step. Don't try to do everything at once. Today, pick one of these. You write your title with better keywords, fix your first photo, update your description, or unblock and clean up your calendar. Then come back and comment what you change and if your views or bookings improved. If you want me to personally review your listing, drop review in the comments. And if you're serious with ranking higher, getting both consistently, and making real income with Airbnb, hit that subscribe button, because I drop real strategies, not fluff. I will see you in the next video.